Hi folks, today we're taking a look at the KODAK Instant Dock Printer PD460, a compact little device that lets you print your photos instantly from your home. It retails for around $150, so let's see what you're getting for that price. In the box you'll find a paper cassette, a manual, 10 sheets of photo paper, the docking station attachment, the printer body, and of course the charger. Setting it up is pretty simple. Insert the cartridge by following the arrow on it. Push it in until you hear a click. Now let's load the paper into the cassette. Make sure the shiny side is facing up and try not to touch the glossy surface. You can load up to 20 sheets at once. Then open the printer's cassette cover and insert the paper cassette until it clicks into place. Attach the docking station, plug in the charger, and you're good to go. Next, download the KODAK photo printer app. Enable Bluetooth on your phone, then power on the printer by pressing the button on the side. Once the printer is on, your phone should be able to detect it. Connect via Bluetooth through the app. Now let's print a photo. In the app, choose your photo, then tap the printer icon. The printer goes through 4 stages: yellow, magenta, cyan, and then lamination, which gives it that protective finish. Once it's done, carefully break off the edges of the print and you're all set. As for the print quality, I initially thought it looked a little off, maybe a bit lower resolution than I expected. But KODAK recommends that the original image be at least 1280 by 2448 pixels. My test photo may not have hit that mark, so that could explain it. That said, the look might also be intentionally retro-styled, which some people will actually like. Now let's talk price. The paper refills cost around $48 for 80 sheets, which works out to about 60 cents per photo. That's not far off from getting prints at the photo shop, which typically runs about 50 cents per photo. But here, you're paying for the convenience of doing it instantly at home. All in all, I was pleasantly surprised by the KODAK Instant Dock Printer PD460. It's compact, easy to use, and a great option if you want to print your memories on the go or right at home. Hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. And if it did, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.